We're in the East Village right now. We're right near Union Square, which has Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, weekend farmers market. I used to live in this building. You're near the L train and all of the transportation of the 8 subways, also near Union Square. We also have a penthouse. It's under $500,000. Let's go check it out. Welcome to Penthouse C. Before we get into the main part of the apartment, we have to talk about the foyer, which is perfect for coat closets, a windowed bath with a tub. You have double wide closets and storage up top. But the centerpiece of this penthouse unit is this kitchen. It's perfect for cooks. It's perfect for entertaining. This wide open countertop is massive. It's great for even working from home. You have plenty of storage. This window faces east, unobstructed views, light pouring in. You have stainless appliances when it comes to the range, microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, and laundry. When it comes to your actual living space, you are again on the top floor, 10-foot ceilings, corner unit, south facing, plenty of light, queen size bed here. You could put a dresser, you could put a desk, you could put a couch, you could put tables. The space is perfect for anyone. Whether it's a first time purchase, where it's a primary residence, whether it's someone that's looking to come here for a second home pied-a-terre, or in its investment unit, it is flexible when it comes to the board, whatever your cases are. So if you're looking for a prime penthouse unit, 10-foot ceilings in the East Village, right near Union Square, right near all the restaurants, all the transportations, Trader Joe's, Union Square, flexible co-op, then this is your home. And if you're looking for a private showing, then call me, Charles Botenston, and we'll get you in to check it out.